have since then recovered monies from these contractors. And here with me are the documents. A company called Chongqing International Construction Company had been advanced 3.585896,620 billion. And by close of business yesterday, they had transferred that money back to the UNRA account. And we have the documentation and the bank transfers. A company called Zhongmei had used all the money by paying the affected people. However, before they paid the affected persons, they had traded in it, and they had got profit, what we call interest, of 272 million shillings. But they had paid all the money as they were required by the contract. So we have since then recovered even the interest which they had got on that money, and they have paid it. It is 272 million shillings. The documents are here with us.
The connivance with the UNRA officials, they had a stipulated agreement that was saying that upon disbursement of this money, an independent imprest account should be opened, and that account should be managed by both UNRA and the contractors. But what is amazing is UNRA never took time to look at these accounts. It never even bothered to know whether the project affected persons were paid. There was a lot of laxity in UNRA, and that's the assumption that we have, that maybe because of that laxity, they could have connived in getting this money.